The candle makers don't want you to know this. With this aromatic candle, you won't need any air conditioner for your home. Here I explain how to make a homemade candle that will leave your home with a fresh and pleasant aroma, using simple and natural ingredients. First, take a transparent container of your choice and fill it halfway with water. Make sure the container is big enough to contain all the ingredients without overflowing. Then, slice an apple and place it in the container with water. Next, use the peel of a mandarin and add it to the water. The mandarin peel will add a fresh citrus touch that will perfectly complement the apple aroma. Then cut a lemon into slices and pour it into the container. The lemon will bring a refreshing fragrance. Then, cut 4 pieces of cinnamon into several pieces. Then, take 6 aromatic seeds of your choice and add them to the container. The seeds can be cardamom, star anise, or any other of your choice. Add a handful of sweet clove. The clove will contribute with a strong and spicy aroma that balances the sweetness of the apple. Then, pour a little more water to make sure that all the ingredients are well covered. Then, fill the container almost to the brim with oil. The oil will serve as a base for the candle. Finally, add liquid lavender. Lavender not only has a charming smell, but it also has relaxing properties that help reduce stress, reduce blood pressure, and facilitate sleep. Next, take a plastic glass and, with the help of scissors, cut the lower diameter of the glass. Then, with a tweezers or a metal instrument that can withstand high temperatures, make a hole in the center of the base of the plastic glass. This will serve as a support to hold the thread that will hold the fire. Pass a piece of wool thread through the hole in the lower diameter of the plastic glass and make a small knot so that the thread does not come out. Place the base of the glass with the thread in the container, using the scissors to help you position it correctly. Then, sink it so that the oil and aromas pass through it. Let the container rest for about 5 minutes, allowing all the aromas to mix and intensify. And that's it! You can now enjoy a homemade aromatic candle with a fresh smell that will not only keep your home fragrant, but will also help you deal with various ailments such as insomnia, irritability, headaches, and other discomforts. With this simple process, you can create an aromatic candle that will not only naturally perfume your home, but will also provide health benefits thanks to the relaxing and therapeutic properties of the ingredients used.